Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix billing problem. Ask the family organizer to update their billing information. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to close this page. If you're facing the error like this, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to open the setting, and first of all you have to make sure that you're properly connected with internet. And after that, try to change your Apple ID and try to download that app. If the app is free, then you can easily download that app, and if the app is not free and you are family member, just simply you have to tap on your Apple ID and just simply you have to go to family sharing. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to make sure that who is your family organizer, just simply contact with him and tell him that he has to update his payment information if his payment method expiry date is not over. Okay guys, if his payment method expiry date is not over and still you're facing the error like this, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to go back again, go back and just simply you have to make sure that you are using the same Apple ID which is in the family sharing, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once it's there guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to open the settings. Let me tell you that if you're the organizer of the family, just simply you have to follow this process. Just simply you have to tap on media and purchases, then tap on view account. Now wait some second. From here guys, just simply you have to make sure that if your debit or credit card expiry date is not over, just simply you have to go to your manage payment section and just simply you have to make sure that you have given correct billing address. Okay guys, from here guys, you can easily see your payment method or billing address. Just simply you have to make sure that, and after that go back from here. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to go to country origin and make sure that you have selected the country in which your debit or credit card is made. Just simply you have to tap on change country origin from here. Okay guys, so now it's loading from here. Just simply you have to tap on change country origin, and after that you can see a lot of countries. From there you have to select your country. Once you have selected, after that it's asking you to agree to terms and conditions. Just simply you have to tap on agree, and after that you can see your billing address. You can put fake one, all of these things. Just simply you have to put the correct zip code of your city. Just simply you have to put the city name, and just simply you have to zip code of your city. Just simply you have to put that. If you don't know about that, just simply search on Safari browser or another browser, and just simply you have to tap on next. You can easily see next at the top right corner, and after that I grant your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.